So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new to this channel who have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. And also, guys, follow the Telegram channel. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel so that you will not miss out on any single update. Now, if you take a look at what Euro JPY is giving us, you will see that this is on our daily time frame. You will see that the full trend, the full bigger picture, which is our main trend on EURJPY, is on an uptrend move. As you can see, this is giving us a series of higher high and higher low, right? You can see an high, then your higher low, an higher high, then your higher low, then an higher high. This is your higher low. This is also the higher high. This is the higher low. This is also the higher high. And market is now giving us an higher low. So with this movement that market is doing, markets will most likely drop down to come to this low, which is a support level. So this is the level that we've highlighted, and we will be expecting EURJPY to drop to that level. Now let's go down to the forward time frame and see why we will be expecting such a movement. Is that this is once a range market move. EURJPY once range within this level, and now market has broken below this resistance level and it's coming back down to our support level. Now take a look at it. What market did here. Market was able to rally up to tap this resistance. Then market drop to tap this support level, right? Market was able to rally up to tap this resistance, and then market dropped to tap our support level. Market was able to rally up, which broke above it, which you can see as a false breakout. Market was able to give us a false breakout here, and now market is now dropping back in, and it is coming down to our support level. So with this movement, we should be expecting EURJPY to drop further down till it is able to tap this our support level. So guys, a bearish move is what we should be expecting on our EURJPY. So all you just need on your EURJPY is this, your low and your lower high. This can be seen as your lower low, right? And now we will be expecting a lower high on our EURJPY. So a lower high is what we should be expecting to a level of 184. Once we get that lower high, then a new lower low most likely going to play out, thereby dropping. So guys, a bearish move is still what we are going to be expecting on our EURJPY. Now, just in case there's any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. Just in case there's any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to do is very simple. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also follow the Telegram channel. The link will be in the comment section.